Hi, it's Ben James from the Pain and Injury Clinic in Birmingham, and in this video we're talking about neutral spine. So as the name suggests, it's about keeping the spine in neutral. So we're really focusing on keeping the natural curve in the back and bracing the tummy to keep that spine straight. So in order to do that, in order to understand where your neutral spine is, we start with the pelvis. I'm going to stand to the side. If you imagine your pelvis as a bucket of water, if I tilt forward, the water's going to start running out the front of the bucket. If I tilt all the way back, it's going to run out the back of the bucket. What I'm looking for is a midpoint. So tilt right the way forward, right the way back, find the midpoint and hold the pelvis there. This is where we want to just slightly brace those abdominal muscles, just tension in those abdominal muscles there. That helps to keep the spine in neutral. And it's really important that you keep your spine in neutral for all activities of daily living. So whether you're sitting onto the toilet, getting in the car, or you're picking something off the floor, we want to keep the spine in neutral and we want to bend through the hips. And to practice that, you can put your fingers on your back and you can put some fingers on the front here on your tummy. And as you bend, if you're bending through the back, you'll feel those fingers spread apart. And what we want to learn is to keep the back in neutral. Those fingers don't move apart. So when I'm going to bend down or I'm going to lunge down and pick something off the floor, I learn to keep that back straight. It's very difficult to damage the lower back if your spine is in neutral. So it's a fundamentally important thing to learn as part of back pain recovery or optimal back health. So to repeat, start with your pelvis, tilt forward, tilt all the way back and learn to find that midpoint. Learn to switch on those abdominal muscles, a little bit of tension through there, and then we're looking to move through the hips, which are a hugely powerful, stable joint. So we want movement to go through there. We don't want movement to go through the lower back. So keeping that spine in neutral, really important. So go and practice.